There, namaste, welcome to my Wednesday Wellness. So what are the best essential oils you can use for your skin, for dry skin, and how can you use them? So we're moving into a season where balance is really the thing that's important. So we're going to be talking about skin, balancing out skin. So if your skin is very dry, essential oils are magic. They bring so much nourishment. They also have all of what you're looking for in a soap: antibacterial, antimicrobial, even antifungal. So they're everything a soap you need from a soap without drying. So that's why I really advocate using them in the shower instead of any shower gels, shower oils. So what are the best essential oils to use? And first of all, it's important to note never to put them directly on your skin because that actually can dry and damage the skin. So don't do that. So the best essential oils are, I love chamomile for the skin. It's just so soothing, nourishing, and calming to any dry, flaky skin. So chamomile would probably be one of my first. Lavender, also magic lavender, absolutely brilliant for the skin. Geranium is also brilliant, and that's actually a good balancer. So if you have combination skin, geranium's amazing. You might feel it from geranium. It just is a general balancer. It balances mood, it balances everything. So geranium's great for balancing out the skin. It both is kind of soothing and calming to dry skin, but it's also nourishing. So it's good for all extreme skin types. So that's geranium. We also have myrrh, which is really good for scarring, for any dry skin, for any fine lines, any of that kind of stuff. It's very nourishing. So myrrh is great. Frankincense is brilliant for cellular regeneration. So that's, they used to use frankincense to make mummies because it preserves flesh. So it does a really good job of that. So frankincense is a great one. Rose is absolutely beautiful. It's just so quintessentially feminine and absolutely brilliant for the skin. So rose is a really good one. So it's lovely to make a blend together with rose and frankincense. They just go so nicely. Maybe geranium in there too. What else is good? Carrot seed is good. It might not be one that you generally have. I don't love the smell of it, but what I love to do with it is use it as a carrier oil, carrot carrier oil, because it has a kind of a color to it, which is kind of orangey, but if you put it on your skin, it gives you a nice glow. So carrot carrier oil, we'll talk about carrot carrier oils in a second, but carrot carrier oil is fantastic. That's carrot. What other ones? Lavender, let's see, did I have any more? Sandalwood, brilliant for dry skin. It's great for any inflammations, any irritations. So sandalwood is also great for skin. So all those essential oils are great for the skin. So most of those you'll see are in Yoganda Relax. So that's the one that I use on my face every night without exception. You can use it all over because, as you know, dry skin doesn't obviously just happen on the face. It happens all over, particularly at this time of year. Now, one thing that's really important to note is if you've got dry skin, you might kind of feel like dry brushing isn't for you, but actually it really is, because one of the problems with dry skin is it's not absorbing properly. So dry skin is kind of two rules of dry skin. Forget about lotions. Oil is your friend because oil penetrates much better than lotion. But the other one is you need to keep the skin exfoliated. So dry brushing is excellent for that. Essential oils are absorbed through the hair follicles and they can get blocked. So that's why we do the dry brushing even for dry skin. And a couple of squirts of oil on the dry brush will make it that, it'll be both hydrating and exfoliating at the same time. So how to use those essential oils? A couple of ways you can do it. One is as part of dry brushing, squirt, put it on all over. Do your dry brushing. I did a Facebook Live on dry brushing, so you can search that up and you'll find it. Another way is to just put a few drops into whatever you're using already. So if you do have lotions, you can improve them. A lotion with essential oil is better than a lotion without essential oil. So couple of drops in and that'll really add all those benefits to it. You can also make up your own. That's great fun. You get a little 30 ml bottle of an empty bottle, or if you have a full bottle, wait till it's gone, keep the bottle, especially a glass bottle would be ideal, and then put in a base oil. And so carrier oils that I love are apricot kernels. Beautiful. You'll get any of these in a health store. Apricot kernel, I love. Carrot carrier I mentioned because it's got that beautiful glowing effect. Sweet almond is great. Coconut, I would For dry skin, I prefer not to use coconut. I mean, it's okay, and it's a good oil, but really the really nourishing skins are the heavier, oils are the heavier ones. So apricot kernel, sweet almond, hazelnut, jojoba, and rose hip. These oils are the better ones, carrier oils. So how to use, we've got our stick it a bit in your lotion, use dry brushing, make up your own. Also, face spritz is really nice. So I'm going to talk another week how to make one of those. It's really easy and it's a beautiful way to use it. So there are some essential oils for dry skin and how to use them. Any questions, just message me below, and please just start using them. So if you have a lotion of any kind and you have my oils, you can just put them in to add the benefits in there, and just use. If you have dry skin, use oil on your skin every single day. Use before the shower, after the shower, in the shower, every night, all the time, and your skin won't be dry anymore. So thank you so much. Namaste.